Hello, today we're going to read Pooh and Piglet. One day, in the 100-acre wood, Pooh and Piglet decide to go on a picnic. The two friends don't go far before they see a honey tree. I'm feeling a bit rumbly in my tummy, says Pooh. Pooh begins to climb the tree to get some honey from a hive while Piglet watches. Pooh, I don't think this is a very good idea, says Piglet. Bother, says Pooh. I'll just be a moment. As Pooh reaches into the hive and pulls out a fistful of honey, Piglet becomes very worried. Pooh, please climb down now, begs Piglet. Coming, Piglet, calls Pooh. A swarm of bees flies out of the hive and quickly surrounds Pooh. Oh dear, exclaims Pooh, falling backwards. Pooh quickly jumps up. Run, Piglet, he cries. Piglet can't run very fast, and soon the bees are right behind him. Pooh looks back and sees that Piglet is in trouble. I'm coming, Piglet, cries Pooh. Pooh turns around, picks up Piglet and heads for home. When they reach Pooh's house, they run inside and shut the door. Thank you, Pooh, for saving me from the bees, says Piglet. Sorry, Piglet, says Pooh. Next time, I'll listen to you instead of my tummy. Anyway, adds Pooh, let's not let a few bees ruin our picnic. The end.